Grab your blocks and I'll leave it up to you. You can use 1 or 2. Place them underneath your lower back and then lift up your knees so you're nice and comfy just like this. So totally up to you. If you don't want to be as high, just with 1 block feels good as well. Okay, nice. So just hang out there. I'll guide you through. Pull your knees up. Nice. Does that feel okay? Are you balanced? And you can just rock side to side just like that. Right? So good for the low back. Beautiful. It's like a little massage for the low back. Deep breath in and out. Nice. Then you're going to interlace both of your hands behind your right knee and then let your left leg go long and keep it floating above the mat. So you're really going to want to press, hold there. So you can feel that in your hip flexor. This is one of my favorite ways to stretch the hip flexor. It's so calming. Low impact for the lower back. They all look so good.